I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Creating an account on Visible is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Visit the Visible website. Go to the official Visible website using your preferred web browser. This is where you'll start the account creation process. Step 2. Click on Get Started. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started button. This will take you to the registration form. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure your email is valid, as you'll need it for verification. Quick gotcha, double check your email for typos. A small mistake can delay your account setup. Step 4. Choose a plan. Select the plan that suits your needs. Visible offers different options, so review them carefully before making a choice. Step 5. Complete the registration. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you've followed these steps, you should have your Visible account set up and ready to go. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy connecting!